I just found the automation hack that makes brainstorming videos completely pointless. With one free Google tool, you can reverse engineer any monetized YouTube channel, their scripts, their hooks, their exact formula, and start pumping out 30+ videos an hour with it. This isn't stealing. It's what every major media company already does: study what works, then build a system around it. Today I'm handing you that exact system, step by step. Look at this channel right here. Millions of views, fully monetized, and running on nothing but simple stick figure image slides paired with an AI voice. Pull the numbers on Social Blade and this channel is pulling in roughly $1,500 a month off just 53 videos. That's the kind of channel that's almost stupidly easy to replicate once you know the method, and that's exactly what I'm showing you today. The tool doing all the heavy lifting is Google NotebookLM. Here's the real problem with faceless and automated channels: it was never the editing. It's knowing what to say. NotebookLM solves that specific problem. It reverse engineers any channel's ideas, structure, even their hooks, completely free. Let me show you exactly how. Head over to Google NotebookLM. Pay close attention here, because this next part is the one that actually determines whether this works for you. Open NotebookLM and click Create New. While that's loading, pull up the YouTube channel you want to clone. In my case, it's this one. Now we need 10 to 15 video links from that channel. Copying them one by one is a waste of time, so we're automating that part too. Search GrabBit on Google. This is a Chrome extension that grabs every video link on a page in one motion instead of you clicking each one individually. Click Add to Chrome, then pin it. Now we need to configure it once. Click the extension, go to More Settings, scroll down and click Add New Action. Set the trigger to left mouse button and select Control as the modifier, though this may differ depending on your device. Pick any highlight color. I went with yellow. The setting that actually matters here is making sure Copy to Clipboard is selected. Leave the advanced settings alone, then hit Save. That action is now stored for every future use. Go to the channel you want to clone, open their Videos tab, let everything load, then left-click plus Control to grab every URL on the page at once. Back in NotebookLM, click Add Sources, scroll down to YouTube, and paste in the links you just copied. Let everything finish processing before moving forward. You're not limited to YouTube links either. Blog posts, text samples, PDFs, any source relevant to the niche can go in here too. This step is what gives you a genuinely refined, factual script foundation instead of a generic one. Here's why that matters. YouTube penalizes content that's fully AI generated, meaning AI script, AI voice, and AI visuals combined will trigger monetization warnings. NotebookLM sidesteps this because every output is grounded in real source material you fed it, not pure invention. Title your notebook something you'll recognize later. I labeled mine The Magnetic Art of Social Connection and Influence. Still in the chat, ask it to study your sources and break down the niche, script style, title patterns, and tone. It comes back with a full breakdown, recurring topics, script structure, hook patterns, and call to action style. Basically the entire blueprint of what's already working for that channel. Staying in that same conversation, ask for 10 channel name ideas built around that niche. You'll notice the responses go far deeper than what a generic chatbot gives you, real context around the audience and niche instead of surface-level suggestions. That depth is exactly why most automation channels stall out. They're working off shallow ideas from the start. Pick a name you're drawn to, then ask that same chat for 10 video ideas. Instead of manually brainstorming, you walk away with a full list of topics, each paired with a short description of what that video should actually cover. Now the real automation kicks in. Copy one of those video ideas, open a brand new notebook, title it after the video, and add your idea as a resource. On the left sidebar, find Video Overview. This is where everything comes together. Click it, set your video specifications, and hit Generate. While that's rendering, go back and grab your second topic idea, spin up another notebook the same way, and start that one generating too. On the free plan you get 3 videos a day, so run this across 3 or 4 separate Gmail accounts and you can generate a full month of content without spending anything. Here's what came out on the first render.
Okay, so today we're diving into an explainer on something I think pretty much all of us can relate to. Why you feel absolutely exhausted around people, even when you're actually having a really great time. Seriously, have you ever caught yourself wondering why socializing can just completely wipe you out, even when it's with your favorite people in the world? It is such a common experience, but we hardly ever stop to look under the hood and figure out what's really happening in our brains.
Picture this. You go out, you have an incredible night. You're laughing, sharing stories, genuinely loving every single second of it. But then, the next morning rolls around, you wake up feeling just utterly, completely depleted.
The video quality and voice output here are genuinely impressive. This is a real, monetizable automation setup
Nicely
built
to
entirely
section
around one tool. It doesn't stop at video either. NotebokLM also generates infographics and slide decks in the same session, clean text rendering, multiple styles, all included at no extra cost. Automation doesn't end at upload though. You still need the algorithm to actually push your content, and that comes down to two things: your title and your thumbnail. For titles, go back into the first notebook for that video and ask the chat for 10 click-worthy title options. Often it's already generated a strong one while building out your topic ideas. If that lands, use it. If not, pull from this fresh batch instead. Thumbnails are where a lot of automation channels quietly lose viewers, and you don't need to reinvent anything here. Just clone the visual pattern the target channel is already using. In this case, it's a consistent black, white, green, and red template. Build it in Canva by starting a new design at 16:9, the correct ratio for YouTube thumbnails, then set a black background. Add your headline text. I used "Why you feel exhausted around people" and go with Poppins font. It reads well for educational or psychology-based content. Set the text to white, then apply an effect style to give it some depth. Adjust the text, change the color of "exhausted" to red and "people" to green. Size the text large enough to read instantly, then head to Elements and search for a stick figure graphic that fits your topic. Drop it in, add a black shadow underneath for depth, and finish with subtle grid lines in the background at low transparency for a more modern feel. What you're left with is a fully clickable, on-brand thumbnail built entirely from a competitor's proven pattern. Videos rendered, titles set, thumbnails built, upload it. This niche is actively blowing up right now, and plenty of people are already cashing in on it. Drop any questions in the comments and I'll personally walk you through it. If this saved you hours of brainstorming, like it, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to see this. See you in the next one.